Good day, everyone. My name is Jennifer A.S. Torres from Mayor Calixto D. Enriquez Elementary School, Rosario District. Allow me to present to you my research. Title, Integration of Adaptive Curriculum in Teaching Science to Improve the Academic Performance of Grade 6 Pupils. For the rationale, too much emphasis is placed on learners' performance on standardized tests, says Paget 2020, with an emphasis on conceptual understanding rather than rote success on examinations. Adaptive curriculum aims to ready all learners for the challenges of higher education. Test scores are designed to be a consequence, not the purpose of training, with its dynamic, interactive material appealing to today's digital natives. Adaptive curriculum pays attention to the breadth of covering necessary by the new state and national standards while preserving the depth of idea development, with an initial concentration on the topics judged most difficult to teach. For the methodology, this study used pre-experimental method utilizing one group, pre-test post-test design. 30 grade 6 pupils who were identified with difficulties in understanding the learning competencies on science based from the pre-test result were chosen using a non-random or purposive sampling. The results of the pre-test and post-test of the participants were compared using paired t-test. For the findings revealed that after the integration of adaptive curriculum in context in teaching Science 6, among the participants improved their academic performance. Data shows that the participants' pretest yielded a mean of 2.3000 and a standard deviation of 0.82327. This data shows that the participants' post-test yielded a mean of 19.6000 and a standard deviation of 0.69921. This data shows the test difference of the participants' pre-test and post-test before and after the integration of adaptive curriculum. The results obtained the p-value 0.000. This means that there is significant difference between the pre-test and post-test of the participants. For the implications, integration of adaptive curriculum in teaching science show real, live, in-the-moment interactions where knowledgeable teachers guide what and how children learn, based on what they know about their learners and what learners are ready to learn next. In short, it is the teacher adapting the curriculum, along with the class environment that allows the curriculum to be responsive to the learners it is serving. For the conclusions, the findings revealed that after the integration of adaptive curriculum in teaching Science 6, among the participants improved their academic performance. Integration of adaptive curriculum allows the learners to drive his or her own learning while entrusting the teacher to make decisions. The following are the recommendations for dissemination and utilization of the study. First, Slack session with regards to the results of the study. Second, focus group discussion with regards to plan of strategy based from the results of the study. Third, in-service training for the promotion of the intervention and strategy. And last, innovation of the intervention and strategy. These are the references used during the conduct of this research. Thank you and God bless everyone.